Hey Glam Dolls, super excited to share with you all swatches of LA Colors Cosmetics Dual Ended Lock-In Lippies. So let's get this video going. Now when it comes to LA Colors Cosmetics Glam Dolls, I gotta admit they have really leveled up on the quality of their cosmetic line lately. I mean, these lock-in lip colors are very long lasting with true to color pigmentation formula. Color you see, color you are definitely going to get, and it doesn't even transfer while you're wearing it. Meaning if you want to drink your coffee, you know, or have cocktails with your friends, or even smooching with your significant other, your lipstick is guaranteed to stay put and definitely not fade. Now also the formula is very innovative. It's complete with a two-step system. The first step is the one that locks the color in on the lips, and the second is what adds shine with a non-sticky clear gloss. Now these lock-in lip colors, they're available in 14 fabulous shades that you can choose from. You can go from the basic nudes to the dramatic berries, or even if you want to walk on the wild side and take a shot at some vampy colors, there's a color guaranteed for everyone. They're conveniently dual-sided, which means it has a matte color on one side and a clear gloss enhancer on the other. So speaking of the clear gloss enhancer, I want to take a moment after I show you this bomb red one right here. Whoo! Yeah, I'm loving that red one. I want to take a moment and show you the clear gloss enhancer, which is this right here. You use that to enhance the color of the lippy, and voila, there you got it. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much is about to conclude the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you check for these lippies on the lacolors.com website. The link will be down below. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.